Hello dear friends, subscribers and guests on my channel. In this video I want to show and tell you how to deactivate Twitter or X account. Please put your like, subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends, and let's get started. So, first we need to go to X. After that, go to our account and click Settings and Support. After that, click Settings and Privacy, and after that, click Your Account. And here, click Deactivate Your Account. Here we can read, this will deactivate your account, and what else you should know. You can read that and click Deactivate. And that's all. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please put your like, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with your friends. Bye bye everyone, see you later.